Imagine this. It's payday. That sweet deposit received notification pops up on your phone, and for a second, you feel like you've got it together. Then 2 days later, you check your account, and it's almost empty. Groceries, bills, that $14 burger from DoorDash, gone. Sound familiar? You're not alone. 63% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, even people with high incomes. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to be this way. In this video, we'll show you how to take control of your money. No lectures, no guilt, no boring spreadsheets, just simple steps, real-life tips, and a few laughs along the way. But first, let's check in. Here are 5 quick yes or no questions. Do you ever avoid checking your bank account because you're afraid of what you'll see? Do you often wonder where your money went at the end of the month? Have you ever paid a bill late? Not because you forgot, but because you didn't have the money. Do you rely on credit cards to get through the week? Do you feel like no matter how much you earn, it's never enough to save? If you said yes to 3 or more, don't worry, you're not alone. And no, you're not doomed. You're just in the perfect spot to finally change things. Let's break down personal finance the way it should have been taught in school. Clearly, simply, and with examples that actually make sense. And stick around till the end. We've got a quick quiz to check your progress and one bonus money trick that's easy to start today and delivers instant results. You won't want to miss it. You can't fix what you don't see. If you don't know exactly where your money is going each month, you're basically driving blindfolded. What to do? Go through the last 2 to 3 months of bank and credit card statements. Categorize every dollar: rent, groceries, eating out, gas, subscriptions, impulse buys. Use a simple spreadsheet, the Notes app, or any free budgeting app. Why it works. Most people underestimate how much they spend. That $7 latte feels small until you see $140 a month on coffee. Once you see it clearly, it's a lot easier to cut the stuff that doesn't bring you real value. Once you know where your money goes, it's time to build a safety net. Because financial peace starts with protection. Life happens. A flat tire, a medical bill, your dog eats something weird. And if you don't have cash ready, guess what? Hello, credit card debt. What to do? Open a separate savings account. Set up auto transfer after every paycheck, even if it's $20. Treat it like rent, non-negotiable. Use the 50-30-20 principle. 50% goes to needs, rent bills, groceries, 30% to wants fund, takeout subscriptions, 20% to savings and debt payments. You don't need $10,000 right away. Start with $500 or $1,000. That's enough to break the cycle of panic spending. Most people don't need a second job. They just need to stop giving away their money. What to look for: unused subscriptions, streaming, apps, gym memberships, bank fees or account charges, late fees and overdraft charges, random online purchases you forgot about. Pro tip: use the 24-hour rule. See something you want? Wait a day. Most of the time, the urge passes. Credit card debt is a financial parasite. The average APR is over 20%. That means if you owe $5,000 and make only minimum payments, you could pay back double over time. What to do? Stop using the cards. Pick a strategy. Debt snowball. Pay smallest debt first. Motivating. Debt avalanche. Pay highest interest debt first. Saves money. Consider a balanced transfer card with 0% interest, but only if you stop adding new debt. Freedom starts when the debt ends. Yes, we said invest. Not after you buy a house. Not after you feel rich. Now. Why? Because time is more important than amount. What to do? Open a retirement or brokerage account. Start with a simple S&P 500 index fund. Low fees. Long-term growth. $50 a month today is worth more than $200 a month 5 years from now. Want a quick win that can shift your money mindset immediately? Try a no-spend day. It's exactly what it sounds like. 24 hours where you spend $0. Why it works? Breaks the habit of impulse buying, helps you appreciate what you already have, gives your brain a dopamine hit from saving instead of spending. How to do it? Pick a day this week. No shopping, no takeout, no online orders. Plan meals, skip Ubers, and avoid just browsing online. Turn it into a game and see how creative you can get. One day won't make you rich, but it might flip the switch. Still with us? Then you're already doing better than most people. You don't have to get it perfect. Just get it going. And you just took the first big step. Now let's see what you remember. It's quiz time. What's the first step to gaining control of your finances? Start investing immediately. Open a new credit card. Track where your money goes. Cancel your Netflix subscription. What's the main reason to build an emergency fund of $500 to $1,000? To invest in crypto, to protect against unexpected expenses, to pay off your student loans, to buy holiday gifts. Which budgeting principle helps split your income into needs, wants, and savings? 70-20-10 rule, the latte factor. Paycheck prioritization, 50-30-20 rule. Which debt strategy focuses on paying off the highest interest debt first? Avalanche method, debt snowball, credit shuffle, budget burn. Why is it smart to start investing even small amounts now? Because investing is only for rich people. You get instant returns. Time matters more than the amount. Stocks never go down. You know it now. If you scored 3 or more, give yourself some credit. Your brain and wallet just got stronger. If you learned even one new thing, that's already a win. Want more easy-to-follow, research-backed videos on everything from money to food, space, and more? Then hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of curious minds. Your future self will thank you. See you in the next video.